I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing Carly Me hair. Go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell, and these are the goodies that come with the hair. You get 2 pairs of lashes, a wig cap, an instruction card, and an elastic band. So this is their Brazilian Body Wave Human Hair Burgundy 13x4 with transparent lace. It is 180% density, and she is a firecracker, okay? I'm not a huge fan of transparent lace, but we'll get into that later. But here is the frontal. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and the lace tab. So straight out of the bag, this is how the knots look. I did end up bleaching them for 30 minutes and they did lighten up a lot. So moving on to my wig cap prep, I used the Ruby Kisses 3D contour palette. I used the closest shade to my skin, and I just get that all over my wig cap so it can be nice and blended. So for this install, I did not use my lace tint spray. Sometimes I just feel like it comes off really orange lately. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. So I just went in with my contour palette, handy dandy, it always works out. And it's the same color as my skin, and it's more toned down. And then I just went in and I cut off my ear tabs. So ladies, I will admit that this was a little quick, lazy install. I just used my Got2b. I did some quick layers. I didn't even crack out the blow dryer until later in the video, but yeah, I did like 2 or 3 quick little layers, let it get tacky, and I laid her down. So this is what it's giving after the initial lay down. It's looking really nice. I like the personality in this hairline. But let's get on to that transparent lace that I was talking about. So I'm not a transparent lace fan. I love HD lace. The thinner, the better. Transparent lace just has a horrible cast to me. It's really hard to blend sometimes. And to me, the transparent lace is just a whole lot thicker, and that's what makes it also kind of hard to work with. So the best thing to do is take that same foundation brush I was using earlier with that same contour shade, get it on that brush and really push down into that lace. Then I seal it off with the Got2b just to further marinate everything together. So after I do that, I'm going to tie it down again just to make sure that everything is pressed down and melted. Sometimes when you spray that Got2b, it will start to even lift a little bit. So you want to make sure you're tying that back down and making sure that it's completely dry before you take off your melt belt. So with my colored wigs, I really prefer not to do any baby hair. I like to just do the no baby hair look, but I don't know, I just wasn't feeling secure because even though I got rid of the cast, I was just still feeling like there was a cast there. So to kind of camouflage and fluff things up, I went ahead and put down some baby hair, but I prefer not to. But it came out really cute, and it all worked out. So now I'm going in with my Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner. I usually use this on all my hair lately. It just keeps it tamed, less flyaways. It just, I don't know, it gives it a nice condition. Then I decided to do a middle part, and I'm just gonna pop in some really loose, effortless curls. Nothing too serious. I just wanted it to be loose curls. So I'm going in with the True Edge hair stick in extreme hold. I've been really liking this. I got mine in coconut scent, and it's just a nice little stick. I'm not really too picky about the wax sticks. I just started using it really because I'm not huge on products, but it really can help you lay your hair down and make it look really nicely styled. So I've been feeling it, and I'm just gonna hot comb it, get her laid down really nice and flat. So while I'm finishing up, I would like to give you guys my final thoughts on what I think of this unit. She is definitely fire, no ice. I bleached the knots like I told you guys for 30 minutes, and I feel like the scalp is scalping. I feel like if you're looking for this look, you love the color, you don't have a lot of money to waste or spend, this is one of the more affordable pre-colored wigs that you can get that really pack a punch, that if you put in the work, it will look really nice. And since this is a more affordable wig, you know, you are dealing with a thicker lace. It's not the most thin, but it's doing what it's supposed to do. I think it came out really, really well. I will say that after wearing it, it did get a little frizzy, not necessarily tangled, just frizzy. So I think some hair serum or some hair oil would really help this hair at those times. It is color treated hair, so I'm not surprised. That kind of comes with the territory sometimes. But yes, it's affordable. It looks really great. It's hugging the noggin nice, and the scalp looks really good. So this is a plus for me, 2 thumbs up. I really did like it. I was super excited to try it on. I did wear it for a couple of days, and I didn't have any problems. So I just want to say thank you to Carla Me Hair, and thank you so much for sending me this unit. It's beautiful. Go check them out. They have so much affordable hair on their website. Of course, the link will be down in the description below. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment, share, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay sweet.